Welcome everybody, my name is Maxy that educates you in the things you need. So today we have week 10 and I'm going to do barbecue ribs in the air fryer. That is my challenge today. I have no idea how it is. I try not to search things because I want to do it myself and the way I try to cook my own food. So this way I learn also how to do different things. So we're going to have ribs and we're going to use this type of barbecue. We call honey barbecue sauce. Yeah, I like the honey because the taste is a little different than the other one. It's a little sweeter, but it tastes delicious. All right. First, we're going to grab the meat. We're going to divide it into little pieces. We're going to cut it because it's not all of them going to fit in the air fryer. So we make sure to fit. So I'm just going to cut a few. I'm going to grab 2 pieces and I'm going to separate to get it ready. Second, once we have cut the barbecue ribs from the back, I clean it. It's too long for me to cook the barbecue rib in the air fryer because the air fryer is, the space is not that big. So we have to be cautious of that. So I had to cut the piece and I took 2 pieces to try to put inside the air fryer. It might be a little too big to fit, but that's okay. Let's see how it goes. So once I cut it, I put it in a Ziploc bag like this. I already added a little bit of barbecue, but I'm going to add more barbecue to it and mix it around so it becomes much easier. So I just put it like that. Like this, I could put it all around the barbecue. I don't have to worry to get it all messy. I like simple things. Ziploc bags are one of the best things I like to use a lot for many things. It's easier, it's less messy. Look at the ribs. Ooh, look at that barbecue. Ooh, can't wait how to cook it. And it's less messy. And once you're done with it, you just throw out the bag and you're good to go. So we're going to put it in the air fryer and see how we're going to cook this meat. First, we're going to open it. So let's put it inside the air fryer to see how well they get cooked right now. As you can see, how nice this piece of rib is. I hope it gets cooked, really cooked. I put one and I have the other piece. I still have the barbecue. See, no mess when you have in the Ziploc bag. I put in the zip in there. But you have to choose, either you put it back there when it's done, or you could just add it right now to get really cook all that juice, even though it's gonna come out once you start cooking. So since it's beef and it takes longer, so we're gonna try to 350 and give it maybe 30 minutes to get cooked. I'm gonna try that to see how well it gets cooked. So we're gonna cook it. We're gonna get 30 minutes to see how well it gets cooked. So we're going to come back 30 minutes to check out this nice barbecue rib to see how well it got cooked. And this is the honey we use for it. Okay, so the barbecue ribs is cooked. I did it for 30 minutes at 350. Let's see how they came out. I'm very curious to see if they actually got cooked or not. I see that they came out crunchy some part and some part they're not. That's how well they came out. I'm gonna put it in a plate so I could just cut it and do the test and see how they are. Look at that side. Look how it's dripping. Ooh. All that grease fell inside under the air fryer since have that space on the bottom. So we're gonna give it a test and see how well they came out. Okay, so once we put it on the plate, we're gonna check how it cooked. Use my hands for this a little bit since it's ribs. Make sure it's fully cooked. Let's see. It looks very nice. I want to open to be sure it's cooked. Okay, let's cook. I'm gonna taste it. It's very good. I'm trying to taste it around. I'm breaking it apart because I want to make sure everything is cooked in the inside as well the outside. So I'm gonna use the knife for this one. Try to cut it. It's a little hard to cut. It's very crunchy. As you can see here, well, I like it real well done, but it's actually edible. It's pretty good. It's a little not pink. Let's see. It's just a color. It actually is cooked. So this cooking the barbecue ribs in the air fryer is actually a good deal. So it's a good to go. So therefore, this worked out very good. Cooking the barbecue ribs for 30 minutes at the temperature of 350. It did not burn it, even though there's some parts that are very crunchy, but that's usually due to the barbecue and to the fat of the barbecue ribs. You can check out more related videos. Is there a link in the bottom on the description? Like, share, comment, any suggestion on how you like it or anything else you want me to try to cook in the air fryer for the challenge that you would like to try and you don't have the time for it or you're curious about. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope this video cooking the barbecue ribs in the air fryer made your life much easier at home instead of turning the oven. This is easier. Just cook a few of them for yourself if you just want to cook something for yourself and put in the air fryer, and you will have more time to do something else. This is Maxy, over and out.